Alright, y'all. I'm on a walkthrough. Got a weird request. Let me show y'all. See these balls? A kid peed in here. So they want to hire us to move all the balls to the other side. Clean the mat under here. Put the balls back. They'll clean the balls. They don't need us to clean the balls. We'll do this side. And then this side. He said it usually takes his staff, teenagers, 6 of them, 10 hours. So we'll see what my calculation comes up to. And then I'm going to use my electric static sprayer to disinfect this. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Alright, y'all, so this is the walkthrough for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, y'all. So after that walkthrough, it's nice today. So I decided to do my 30 minutes outside today. Well, I can't sell my house, which meant gotta pivot. And then the more I think about it, maybe I wasn't supposed to sell the house. Maybe that wasn't God's plan. Maybe his plan was for me to pay attention to the house that he blessed me with in 2016. I just moved on, ain't paying no attention to the house. So now, the first step is to get a full inspection and see what all the house needs. And just start, I don't owe nothing on it but the taxes, so I don't have to pay any mortgage or nothing. Don't gotta pay no lights or nothing because I don't work during the day. So that's the next step, so I can see what the house needs. Yep. And then with all these awesome opportunities that I'm getting awarded, it's just, gotta keep pushing. And that walkthrough today is Urban Air. One of the kids peed in the little ball area. So they generally disinfect that once a month. But this is an emergency and they don't have the staff to do it. So when I get done with my walk, I'll go work on that. And if they approve it, I'll set it up for tomorrow. Tomorrow, not overnight, but when they're closed. Yeah, so that's what's going on with that. Like I said, you always gotta pivot. First way don't work, just pivot. Don't sit in the woe is me, you just move on. Something else. I had plenty of ideas for that house, but that just happened so quick. So, yeah, so I'm good. Just gonna keep pushing. Alright, y'all, that's all I have to say. I'm just giving you guys updates on what's going on with my cleaning business. Oh yeah, and I'm working on, it's funny, I was on AJ's live and they were talking about medical facilities, and I had mentioned how, but I really meant the small ones that I've experienced, but I talked about how our medical facilities here are cheap. Well, how about I got sent an RFP for a medical facility, 50,000 square feet, and it has operating rooms and different things. It's actually making me go back into my memory bank and into my studies to study up more thoroughly on pathogens and bacteria and all that kind of stuff. And then I had invested some years ago in some surface testers. Never got to use them. It tells you if the surface passed or not. So I might even implement that into the proposal. So just some new, different kind of stuff. Then I'm working on a construction project of apartment buildings. It's over 70,000 square feet. So I missed the walkthrough date, but they just sent it to me. So, and actually, it came through my Building Connected. Yeah, it came through my Building Connected. And shoot, the bid's due on the 27th. What's the date? The 25th? 2 more days. So I already had it done. I just was waiting to see if they sent out any addendums or anything that I need to acknowledge in my proposal. And so far they haven't. So I'll submit it today or tomorrow. But all right, y'all. So that's update on me. Hope you guys are doing well. For some reason, my nose been bleeding today. So that's another reason why I wanted to be out in the air instead of inside on the treadmill. But I always talk to you guys on my last 30 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day.